Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's continue learning Amharic. This is going to be a lesson 31. Okay, so it's also a bonus lesson. So I hope you recognize this pattern so far, but if you don't, in case. So in Amharic, when we negate verbs or words, we completely make a new word. We do not add some prefix or something like that. We completely make a new word. For example, there is, or it is present, or it is available is አለ አለ. There is no is የለም, which is completely new word. Okay, የለም. So problem is ችግር. Try to say there is no problem. ችግር የለም. ችግር የለም. Try to say any problem or like there is no any problem. So here also we are using two negations. Nothing and there is no. There is no any problem. ምንም ችግር የለም. ምንም ችግር የለም. There is no any problem. ምንም ችግር የለም. How would you say thing? ነገር. ነገር. So try to say there is no anything. ምንም ነገር የለም. ምንም ነገር የለም. How would you say somebody? የሆነ ሰው. የሆነ ሰው. What about nobody? ምንም ሰው. ምንም ሰው. There is nobody. There is no nobody. ምንም ሰው የለም. ምንም ሰው የለም. New is አዲስ. Okay, አዲስ. So አዲስ አበባ is new flower. አዲስ. So try to say new thing. አዲስ ነገር. አዲስ ነገር. Ask, is there a new thing? Like meaning what's new? Okay, is there a new thing? አዲስ ነገር አለ? አዲስ ነገር አለ? So what is ምን? Okay, so try to ask what's new or new thing. There is what? አዲስ ነገር ምን አለ? አዲስ ነገር ምን አለ? So I have is አለኝ. I had is ነበረኝ. ነበረኝ. Okay, so try to say I had 5 companies. Even if it is plural, use a singular form. አምስት ካምፓኒ ነበረኝ. አምስት ካምፓኒ ነበረኝ. How would you say they are? እነሱ ናቸው. እነሱ ናቸው. So the pronoun is እነሱ is made up of እነ and እሱ, he. So እነ is what makes pronouns plural. So እነ እሱ, እነሱ. They, T-H-E-Y. Are is ናቸው in this case. They are. ናቸው. እነሱ ናቸው. Try to say they are 5. አምስት ናቸው. አምስት ናቸው. They are very good. በጣም ጥሩ ናቸው. በጣም ጥሩ ናቸው. How would you say two of them? Two of them is the same as the two. Okay, so if you want to say the, you add u sound at the end. For example, house is ቤት. The house is ቤቱ. U sound. So kid is ልጅ. The kid ልጁ. So 5 is አምስት. The 5 or 5 of them is አምስቱ. Now try to say two of them or the two. ሁለቱ. Two of them are very good. ሁለቱ በጣም ጥሩ ናቸው. ሁለቱ በጣም ጥሩ ናቸው. Okay, so I have for plural is አሉኝ. አሉኝ. አለኝ is for a singular. Okay, like አንድ መኪና አለኝ. I have one car. I have 2 kids. ሁለት ልጆች አሉኝ። In fact, what we have been doing so far is using the singular form because it is still understandable. You could say like ሁለት ልጅ አለኝ. But like the more grammatically correct way to say it is ሁለት ልጆች አሉኝ. I have in a plural sense አሉኝ አሉኝ. In singular አለኝ. So in the middle we use lu for the plural አሉኝ. Okay, so what makes nouns plural is och sound. Okay, och. So for example, try to say kids. ልጆች ልጆች. Okay, so friend is ጓደኛ. Try to say friends. ጓደኞች ጓደኞች. Try to say cars. Car is መኪና, cars. መኪኖች. Now try to say I have 3 cars using the plural form. ሶስት መኪኖች አሉኝ ሶስት መኪኖች አሉኝ. Okay, ሶስት መኪኖች አሉኝ. How would you say two of them or the two? ሁለቱ ሁለቱ. Try to say two of them are Tesla. ሁለቱ ቴስላ ናቸው ሁለቱ ቴስላ ናቸው. So big is ትልቅ ትልቅ. Try to say very big. በጣም ትልቅ. They are very big. በጣም ትልቅ ናቸው በጣም ትልቅ ናቸው. Do you remember how you would say kids in a plural form? You add och sound at the end of the noun. ልጆች ልጆች. So try to say I have 3 kids. Use the plural form of I have. ሶስት ልጆች አሉኝ ሶስት ልጆች አሉኝ. Okay, so feminine is ሴት, female is ሴት, female is ሴት. So try to say all the 3 are females. First try to say females. Female is ሴት. What about the plural form? ሴቶች ሴቶች. Okay, I have 3 kids. ሶስት ልጆች አሉኝ ሶስት ልጆች አሉኝ. All the 3 or 3 of them. ሶስቱም all the 3 are females. ሶስቱም ሴቶች ናቸው ሶስቱም ሴቶች ናቸው. I hope you remember how to say all of them. ሁሉም ሁሉም. Try to say all of them are students. Student is ተማሪ. So how would you say students first? You add och sound. ተማሪዎች ተማሪዎች. All of them are students. ሁሉም ተማሪዎች ናቸው ሁሉም ተማሪዎች ናቸው. 2 of them are females. ሁለቱ ሴቶች ናቸው ሁለቱ ሴቶች ናቸው. So to know is ማወቅ, the verb to know. How would you say you have to know or you should know? ተማን ማወቅ አለብክ ማወቅ አለብክ. What about I have to know? ማወቅ አለብኝ ማወቅ አለብኝ. Okay, so when you count in English, like to say like first, second, third, fourth, we add ኛ sound at the end. 2 is ሁለት, second is ሁለተኛ, 3 is ሶስት, and third is ሶስተኛ. Okay, ሶስተኛ. Try to say fourth. አራተኛ አራተኛ. So try to say he is fourth. አራተኛ ነው አራተኛ ነው። try to say this is my company ካምፓኒዬ ነው። we add ye sound to show possession. We will see that in the intermediate lesson next, but using the old pattern የኔ አራተኛ ካምፓኒ ነው። የኔ አራተኛ ካምፓኒ ነው። try to say second ሁለተኛ ሁለተኛ try to say third ሶስተኛ so the third one ሶስተኛው ሶስተኛው class or grade is ክፍል room grade or class ክፍል so try to say 10th grade አስረኛ ክፍል አስረኛ ክፍል 5th grade አምስተኛ ክፍል try to say the third one is 5th grade ሶስተኛው አምስተኛ ክፍል ነው let's say you have four kids and the third one is in 5th grade so ሶስተኛው አምስተኛ ክፍል ነው ሶስተኛው አምስተኛ ክፍል ነው the second one is 6th grade ሁለተኛው ስድስተኛ ክፍል ነው ሁለተኛው ስድስተኛ ክፍል ነው two of them are females ሁለቱ ሴቶች ናቸው ሁለቱ ሴቶች ናቸው male is ወንድ male is ወንድ so how do you say males in a plural form ወንዶች ወንዶች try to say 3 of them are males or 3 of them are boys ሶስቱ ወንዶች ናቸው ሶስቱ ወንዶች ናቸው so the first is the beginner how do you say to begin or to start መጀመር መጀመር so የመጀመሪያው the first one okay የመጀመሪያው the second one ሁለተኛው the fifth one አምስተኛው the first one የመጀመሪያው so try to say the first one is 10th grade የመጀመሪያው አስረኛ ክፍል ነው አስረኛ ክፍል ነው የመጀመሪያው አስረኛ ክፍል ነው you should know ማወቅ አለብክ or ማወቅ አለብሽ so about is ስለ about is ስለ so try to say about I about me ስለኔ about Ethiopia ስለ ኢትዮጵያ try to say you should know about Ethiopia ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ማወቅ አለብክ or ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ማወቅ አለብሽ try to say you should know about me ስለኔ ማወቅ አለብክ or ስለኔ ማወቅ አለብሽ ask a woman do you want to know about me do you want to know about I ስለኔ ማወቅ ትፈልጊያለሽ ስለኔ ማወቅ ትፈልጊያለሽ ask her I want to know about you ስላንቺ ማወቅ ፈልጋለሁ ስላንቺ ማወቅ ፈልጋለሁ try to ask what should I know what do I have to know ምን ማወቅ አለብኝ ምን ማወቅ አለብኝ what do I have to eat what should I eat ምን መብላት አለብኝ ምን መብላት አለብኝ what should I know about Ethiopia ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ምን ማወቅ አለብኝ ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ምን ማወቅ አለብኝ so thing is ነገር how would you say things in a plural form if you remember we add och sound at the end ነገሮች ነገሮች so try to say many things or a lot of things ብዙ ነገሮች you have to know many things ብዙ ነገሮች ማወቅ አለብክ or ብዙ ነገሮች ማወቅ አለብሽ but as we have been doing so far you can use also the singular form ብዙ ነገር okay instead of many things you can say many thing so ብዙ ነገር ማወቅ አለብክ is also understandable okay try to say two things using the plural form ሁለት ነገሮች try to say two things in singular ሁለት ነገር so you should know two things use any of those two you are comfortable with the plural or the singular form you should know two things ሁለት ነገር ማወቅ አለብክ or ሁለት ነገሮች ማወቅ አለብክ okay so try to say you should know two things about Ethiopia ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ሁለት ነገር ማወቅ አለብክ or ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ሁለት ነገሮች ማወቅ አለብክ do you want is ትፈልጋለህ you can is ትችላለህ now give me your best guess and try to say you know ታውቃለህ try to ask what do you know ምን ታውቃለህ what about to a woman ask the same question ምን ታውቂያለሽ what do you know about me ስለኔ ምን ታውቂያለሽ ask a man what do you know about Ethiopia ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ምን ታውቃለህ so I want እፈልጋለሁ I can እችላለሁ now try to say I know አውቃለሁ I know a lot of things ብዙ ነገሮች አውቃለሁ try to say I know about Lalibela is a well-known ancient church that is built in the northern part of Ethiopia and is a popular tourist destination so try to say I know about Lalibela ስለ ላሊበላ አውቃለሁ try to say I know about Harar is also a tourist destination in the eastern part of Ethiopia ስለ ሐረር አውቃለሁ I know a lot ብዙ አውቃለሁ try to say I don't know anything ምንም አላውቅም okay I know a little ትንሽ አውቃለሁ I know a little about Amharic ስለ አማርኛ ትንሽ አውቃለሁ what should I know about Amharic ስለ አማርኛ ምን ማወቅ አለብኝ you should know a lot of things about Amharic ስለ አማርኛ ብዙ ነገሮች ማወቅ አለብክ or to a woman ስለ አማርኛ ብዙ ነገሮች ማወቅ አለብሽ so this is the end of beginner level Amharic if you have reached this far congratulations and starting from the next lesson we will start studying intermediate level Amharic see you there bye